Step 1 of the hypothesis testing procedure is that we formulate our hypotheses. We've got a two-tailed test. So the question says, is the correlation statistically significant? Use a two-tailed test with an alpha of 0.01. Step 1, we need to come up with our hypotheses. Our null is that rho is equal to 0. Our alternate is rho is not equal to 0 because this is a two-tailed test. Step 2, we need to find the critical values, so we need our degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom is n minus 1. We had n minus 2, sorry. N minus 2. We had 9 participants minus 2, so our degrees of freedom is 7. We go to that's the t distribution. That won't work. We go to the critical values for the Pearson correlation. We've got a two-tailed test with an alpha of 0.01. And our degrees of freedom is 7, so our critical value is right here. It's 0.798. So, step 4, because step 3 was computed in part A, what we're going to do is we're going to compare this value that we calculated with this value that is our critical value. And the value we calculated is more extreme. So this was 0.798. Here it's negative 0.798. And the value we calculated is 0.835. So we reject the null. We accept the alternate. And we say there is a significant correlation between our variables.